Breathe easy with Asthacon Capsule, your comprehensive solution for a spectrum of respiratory challenges. Featuring a high-performance formula, these capsules are a versatile beacon of relief for persistent dry coughs, overwhelming shortness of breath, and more. What sets Asthacon apart is its unique blend of potent ingredients, making it the go-to solution for asthma, chronic bronchitis, and the aftermath of smoking. Experience significant relief from respiratory issues with optimal efficacy. This comprehensive approach makes Asthacon capsules a potent remedy for individuals dealing with various respiratory distress issues, providing a well-rounded solution for improved respiratory health. Asthacon capsule, because everyone deserves to breathe easy.